Hi, hello, my name is Matt and I'm from team number 1, team 66, and I'm going to be demonstrating how to use and install our application ToolLoop. We deployed our whole application on the cloud, so now it's accessible from the internet through the browser. And we deployed our front end on a platform called Vercel. And Vercel is the company that actually created the JavaScript Next.js framework that we use for our project. And because of that, its development and deployments is super easy. And then for a backend Express server that handles our business logic, we hosted it on Microsoft Azure. Same goes for our Postgres database. It's also hosted on Microsoft Azure. And because everything is deployed on the cloud, you can visit CMP. You can visit this URL: cmpt370-prod.vercel.app, and I'll put this link in the README file. This is one way to use our application. The other way to run and use the application is to run it locally, and for that we're using Docker. If you go to our local branch over here, you can see there's a README file that has a set of instructions to use our application locally, and then the requirements are you have to install Docker desktop, and then if you go to the root of our of the project, and then if you run the command docker compose build, it will actually start building the whole project, our project, to be able to run locally. And then as you see here, we have a couple of servers running at the moment. Now, like in just a matter of seconds, like there we go. In just a matter of seconds, our whole application will be running. So this means that this application will be accessible from from your local host 3030. So if you go to this URL on your browser, you'll be able to use the application locally. But you have to know using this method means that there won't be any data here. So you have to populate our application with some data to use the features. But if that's not the way to do it, you could just access our application from our deployed front end, and then you're all good to go.
Alright guys, I'm going to be testing the create and edit user uh, feature that I implemented. So basically, yeah, you can write your name, you put the email, put your password. Once you log in, you can go to my account settings. As you can see your account information there, you can change photos. Let's put a photo. We can change our name, put some phone number. And as you can see, account settings profile updated, and if I refresh, it's all there. And if I log out, I can log back in. So yeah, and if you want to update it, yeah, we could just do the same thing. But yeah, it's pretty simple. We're doing all of this from, we're fetching all these user details from a database. So yeah, this is pretty simple. Yeah, and we can change photo as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.
It's Matt again, and I'm gonna be showcasing all the features related to listing. Let's just jump right into it. So we head over to the post button over here, and it's gonna take us to a new page. We're gonna start putting in all of our listing related information. And for the title, let's say we want to create a listing for this Bose PA speaker. So let's say it's a Bose. Let's say it's a model S1 speaker. Then for the category, let's go for audio. Then continue on. Then so now it's for the description. Let's say been very busy with work lately. Want to rent it out instead of collecting dust. Let's say that's the description. Daily rate, let's say $35 a day. And for the tags, let's say Bose PA. Like that sounds good enough. And let's continue on. And then for this one, we're gonna we're gonna add our images. You can click browse, and it's gonna let you browse your all your files, or just click the photos, like select the photos, and just drag and drop here. And then boom, here we go. And then all of our details are here. The image is good. It shows all the previews. You can also like remove an image if you don't like one. Maybe you just added a one by accidentally. But for the sake of the example, let's just add it back over here. And here we go. You can also do the same thing with the tags too. If you have a tag that you don't want like, or you maybe doesn't sound good, you can also remove it. And let's go ahead and create the listing. So what this does underneath, it sends an HTTP request to the backend server. It waits for a successful response. And if its response is good, it takes us to our listing page and shows like how the listing would look if someone were to actually view it. And then let's try to edit the listing now. Let's say we don't like something about it. Let's say we want to change the rate, change the title, description, whatever. Let's go. Then for that, let's head over to the My Account button here. Go to My Listings, and then let's click the Edit button. So now this is already the current data, the current information about the listing. Let's say we want to make it wireless, because nowadays everything is all about wireless speakers. Let's add that. Let's just remove this maybe. Just make it shorter. Why not? Audio. Let's keep the categories the same. Let's say change the rate a bit. We can have a tag. Let's say we want to get rid of the tag. Let's say we just make it big speaker, and let's say we add another tag. Bose speaker. And then let's say we don't like the second image, doesn't really tell much. It kind of does, it has all the inputs and everything, but just for the sake of the example, let's take out the photo, and then boom. Then let's click Save Changes, same thing, sends an HTTP request to the backend, waits for a successful response, and the response is good. It's going to take us to the listing page again, and it's going to show us all the updated details. So we see the title has changed, the rate has changed, and then as you can see now, there's only one photo here. And then let's say we want to delete the listing. And then for that, you just go to My Listings again, and then you have a button that says Delete. And then let's go ahead and delete it. Same thing underneath. It sends an HTTP request to the backend, waits for a successful response. If the response is good, update the listing, and then render our updated listings. In this case, it's the only one listing we have over here. And then you could also be wondering, what if someone to delete a listing when people have it booked? What if they change the rate? How is it gonna be handled? For that, it feels like an actual live in a production environment, like an actual product. We'd have to consider those cases. But just for the sake of the example, like, hey, like this, everything is working normally how it's supposed to be, like it all works. But if we were to make an actual product, we'd have to consider many cases for sure. But just for this time, you can see all of the features are working. Create, delete, edit, and listings are all good. So here you go.
Everyone, my name is Hugh Patel, and here I'll show you the search feature of our app. I'm currently on my home page already logged in, so I'll search for, let's say, snowblower on the search bar at the home page, and let's press enter. And then there are currently three listings of snowblower. Here are the filters you can use to refine the listings according to what you want. So let's select a posted date. Let's select 30th March. So it will only give me the listings that were posted on and after 30th March. Apply filter. So all three listings were posted on and after 30th March. Now I'll select I'll type in a preferred location that can be a city where I am currently located. So let's say, for example, Regina. So there's only one listing which was posted on and after 30th March and is at the location Regina. But I also want to make sure that the tool is available for the usage window that I want the tool with me. So it's not booked with someone else for that date usage window. So let's select, let's say I want the tool from the next month, May 1st to May 15, and apply filters. Okay, so the listing is available, the tool is available for these 15 days of May. So I can just click on the listing and then select the dates here, then I can reserve it. And yeah, that was all pretty much about the search feature.
Okay, my name is Charles. I will showcase our chatting features. It's very easy to use. Just locate to the navbar and click the message button. It will take you to this chatting window. By creating a new conversation, by clicking the new chat button and put the user's email, clicking the start conversation, and you will start a brand new conversation right away. The users can ask any questions, whatever they want. Say, hi Mike, I want to borrow a ladder today. Is it still available? So the user wants to confirm, is the ladder still available from Mike? Okay, so on Mike's side, so this is Mike's account, and he can go to the message window, and it will show up the message right away. Say, hi Mike, want to borrow a ladder? Is it available? And Mike can reply to Charles. Hi Charles. Yes, it is still available for you. And Charles received the reply right away. As you can see, it's really fast. There's no any lag in the between. So it's a live chatting feature. And Charles will reply to Mike, say, great. I will pick it up at 3 p.m. as the reservation said. Works for you. And Mike got the information and say, Mike want to change the time. Say 3 is not working for him anymore. He want to postpone to 4 p.m. Mike said, Charles, actually 4 p.m. Is that okay for you? And Charles found the time is changing, so right now he is informed that 3 is not working anymore. Maybe change to 4 p.m. No problem. And there you go. That's the chatting features. So this feature allows the user to communicate to each other very easily, very convenient, and also it's a live chat, so which is even better. Okay, so this is the chatting features. Now I will pass to the next person. Thanks for watching.
My name is Peter Jiang. I'll be doing a demonstration for the reservation features. So after the user search the right tools, users can click on the tools to view the details and begin the reservation process. Here, I'm just going to click on the electric stove. The platform displays comprehensive information about the selected tools. Users can specify their desired rental period using the calendar here. Here I'm just going to choose starting day April 10th, the returning date April 12th. As you can see, the system automatically calculates the rental duration and displays the total cost based on the daily rate here, a number of days selected. Here, the total cost is 45 days for 2 days. After selecting the tool and rental dates, the user completes the reservation process by clicking Reserve Now. Upon successful reservation, the tool will appear in the user's reservation page, as you can see here. The details will be showing here, including reservation ID, rental period, duration date, total cost, and also the reservation status indicator. Users can click View Listings to see the original tool details at any time. Here, I'm just going to click View Listing. So it directs me to the tool details page here. So I'm just going to go back to the reservation page to continue. So the user can easily cancel a reservation by clicking the cancel button. As you can see here, the cancellation dialog will show the reservation details, summary, warning message that the action cannot be undone, and the go back option to return the reservations or confirm cancellation button to proceed. Users can choose to go back if they decide not to cancel after all. I'll just click go back here. Otherwise, if a reservation is canceled, it's immediately removed from the user's active reservation. Here, I'm just going to click the confirm cancellation here. So as you can see, the existing reservation has been disappeared from the reservation page. From this page, the users can easily navigate back to the tool search to make additional reservations. So the reservation system offers a complete end-to-end experience. With this streamlined reservation system, users can efficiently reserve and manage tools rental for all their DIY projects.
Hello, my name is Hakim and I'm a team member of Team 66, and now I'm going to showcase the review and report feature for our website ToolLoop. I'm just going to go log in here real quick. So the agenda is we're going to go over how the review works. We're going to search for a listing. We're going to check the reviews. We're going to see the overall rating. We're going to we might see some comments, and then after that we're going to go leave some reviews of our own, and then we're going to end it up with submitting a report about something suspicious on our website. So I'm just going to go to the search window right here. I'm going to search for ladder. Actually, let's do hammer this time. And then I'm going to go to the second one. As you can see here, there's an overall rating of 3.7 for this hammer. That's perfect. We can then decide do we want to rent it or not. We don't have comments on this one. If we go to the other one, we can see that there aren't a lot of reviews, and there are no comments either. But basically, that's how the review works. You average, right here, the number it shows here is the average of all the other reviews, and comments will be shown down there. If I want to leave a review on one of my reservations, I would go to my reservations window. I have one upcoming to ended. I can write a review over this one. 4.5, really good. This is a hammer. I really like it. Nails things, XD. Perfect. And then I can just submit the review, and just like that, the review is submitted. That's for the reviews. If I then go to submit a report, say this listing is suspicious. Well, actually, this one I got scammed at the first one. So I just grab the reservation ID, and then I go to the contact page. I can then enter my details, and then KC768 at usas.canada. My phone number, you can just leave it blank. Continue, inquiry, other, subject report, and then hi, reservation number. This actually works. I got stolen. Please contact me. Perfect. Submit. And that's pretty much it. That's how review and report feature works. We would have liked to implement the report feature just in another way, but due to the lack of time, we had this. But everything is working perfectly fine, and database is connecting, and all the reports are going, and users are getting flagged if they get more than three reports. And that's pretty much it. Thank you.